So here's my little card, and you see the eyeballs peeking through, and it says Mary on the front. And then I'm just going to open it up, and it says Christmas. Okay, so we're going to make our second card, and I took my little embosser and embossed on this, and this one says no peeking. And on the inside it's going to say, "Caught you peeking, Merry Christmas." So I'm going to glue that in. Alright, so I am going to figure out where I want Chris to be. This time I'm going to put his eyes on afterwards. So I'm going to say right about there, because we really don't want him to know that we've got antlers on there. So I'm using these kind of little stub parts to hang on to it. And I'm going to put some glue down there. And I can put the glue on first and use those to hang on, which I think I actually am going to pick it up because I need to get some on the antlers. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay. I'm going to pick that up, and it needs to come a little bit this way. That looks pretty good, so I'm just going to go ahead and lay it down. And then I am going to put my eyeballs on at this point. Make sure I didn't get... I'm going to try these wiggle eyes. I think that will be cool. So I'm going to go ahead and glue those on. And typically I leave one eye down. That gives me an idea where to put the second one down. And then I'll pick it up and glue that second one on. And I'm going to say right about there. Okay. And so I have my card made, no peeking, and you open it up, and I got you peeking. And let's see if he needs a bow. Nope, doesn't look good there. Could put one there. So here is my first card completed. I did this on the Cricut, and I cut a slot into my card and used my moose design. This is designed by me, and it's available on my website, mainlydiy.com. That's Maine, like the state of Maine, and the moose is the state of Maine mammal. So that's pretty cool. Second card, which I think came out even cuter. This time I wrote no peeking up there, and I used my Cricut to design that. If you didn't have a Cricut, you could print something out on a piece of maybe white cardstock, cut it out pretty, and stick it on there. And I decided to add a little bow, and I'm going to use wiggle eyes on this one. And then I'll open him up, and there he is, and it says, "Caught you peeking, Merry Christmas." So I hope you enjoy these designs. So you can download the moose from my library. I have it in an SVG file and also a PDF. So either one that might work for you would be great. So visit my library at mainlydiy.com.